Hi, my name is Adriana. I'm an account manager here at Cloud Dentistry, and I'm excited to share our new advanced search option with you. If you don't already have a profile with us, you can go to clouddentistry.com or just click the link below. Then you're going to go to Find Professionals here in the top blue banner. You'll select the type of professional that you're looking for, and then we're going to click on Advanced Search. From there, if you have specific experience that you want the professional to have, you'll go ahead and select, let's say, oral surgery assisting. If you've had a professional come into your office before that you really like, you can search by first name here, different certifications, and even keywords in the professional's background on their profiles. Let's say, for example, you want them to definitely have a profile photo and even a background check. From there, we're going to hit search, and you'll see all of the professionals in your area that are going to meet your criteria. I hope this was helpful, and we look forward to working with you.